Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to transfer Temu credit to another account. So if you have some of the credit available in your account and you would like to share it with the account, we will see if this is possible or not. So first you have to simply open your Temu app and make sure you're logged in with your account. Then you have to click onto this U icon which is in the middle bottom of the page and it has the profile icon. Then you have to click onto your credit balance, and once you tap onto it you will see that we don't have any such option which says that transfer credit or anything that says send it to another account, because there's no such option exist. If you have any sort of credit in your app, then you have to use within the same account. You cannot transfer or send it to another account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.